for the data structure class. So today we are dealing with the stack using dynamic arrays. So why you are going for stack using dynamic arrays? Okay. So in the last class I had told, so if you declare the stack with a particular size, for example, if you take a stack array size of 5, so I told in the last class, if you take a stack array size of 5, you can store the 5 elements. So if you want to go for insertion 6 element, it should leads to a overflow. So to avoid this condition, we go for the stack using dynamic arrays. So if you go with the fixed array size, it is called as what? Static. So when you go with the dynamic array size, what happens? So maximum size can be increased. So whenever we are required for the push operations, hence we go for with the stack using a dynamic array size. Okay, if it is not general array, if you take, what happens? The size is fixed. So if you want to alter it, cannot be possible. Hence to overcome this, we are going for the dynamic array. So in the dynamic array, what happens? When you create the stack, you select the sum of the size. Either you select a minimal size or you select the sum amount of size of 5. Okay, if I want to insert this any element, first I'll be checking the size. If the size is full, if all the 5 element locations are occupied, if I want to enter the 6th element, at that time what I do, I reallocate the memory. So how I can reallocate the memory? So there I will be using a malloc function. Okay, malloc function, what it does, it dynamically increase the size of the memory. So instead of, so whatever the size I set, so that size will be increased so that I can insert my element. Okay, this is automatically the memory size will be increased from 5 to 6. This is the one way. And second way, so how we can dynamically decrease the size? Suppose I set initial basic size is 5. Suppose if I delete any element, so my size needs to be reduced. Hence I dynamically, again what I do, I go for the reallocation operation. So there I reduce my size from increase size, I will be reduce size by using a function known as reallocation. So reallocation, automatically it decrease the size of the memory. So here what happens, using the dynamic arrays, whenever I want increase the size of the array, whenever I want I can decrease the size of the array. Hence I will be going for using the concept of dynamic array for the stacks to overcome the static concept. Okay, cleared everybody? And here hence there is what thing is what, if you go with the static array, the size is fixed, no alteration is possible. So you can overcome. So initially I will initialize with some size. So whenever I want, I can increase during insertion, that is push operation. Whenever I want delete, decrease the during the pop operation. So that can be possible by using the dynamic arrays. Next comes the stack application. Okay, stack applications. So stack applications, mainly I will be using expression. Next, what do you mean by expression? Expression is defined as nothing but what, if you are having a star b plus c, so this is called as what? Expression. What it is expression? The expression is nothing but what? The sequence of operators and operators and operands that reduce to a single value after evaluation is called as expression. Operators and operands that reduces to a single value after evaluation is called as expression. So next we comes, what are the operands? The operands are nothing but variables, constants. Okay, where consisting of, whereas operators consisting of what? The symbols. So operands are nothing but, for example, if you are using a star b plus c, here a and b are your operands. Okay, next star and plus are the symbols. These are called as what? Operands. Okay, next operators, what it indicates, what is the operation you need to be specified based on the given operands. So next is what, the how expressions can be represented. Expression can be represented in 3 ways. One is infix, postfix and prefix. Okay, infix, postfix and prefix. Next we see with what do you mean by infix expression. In infix expression, if an operator is present in between two operands, we call it as infix expression. How? For example, a plus b, here it is called as what? Plus is the operator, a and b are operands, it is called as infix expression. Next one is what? Prefix. So in the prefix, what happens, here you are representing with what? Plus ab, here plus is the operator, next your a and b as the operator. If the operator is present before the operand, it is called as what? Prefix expression. Next one is what? Postfix expression. ab plus, here if the operator is present after the operands, then we are calling it as what? Postfix expressions. Okay, cleared with the three types of expression: infix, prefix, postfix. Infix, in between the two operands you are getting operator. Prefix, initially you are having operator, then you are having operands. Postfix, first you are having operands, then you are having operator. Okay. Next is the precedence and associativity. Then what is the use of precedence? And in C language, each operator is having a priority value, on which priority you need to evaluate the expressions. The which is having a highest priority, you are evaluating the first. Okay. For next one is what is the use of associativity. So if you are having a same precedence, then you go for the associative. For example, star and plus. So if you consider star and plus, the star is having the highest precedence. So in an expression, if you are having a star b plus c, first what you do, you evaluate a and b. Star is there, so you evaluate for a and b, then you go for the evaluation of remaining with the plus operator. For example, if you are having a see here in the given example I have taken 5 minus 17 star 6 plus 2. Here star plus minus is there, so here star is my highest precedence, so I will be evaluating what 17 6. How much you are having? It is 102. 17 6 the what 17 6 the 102. Okay, so first I will be evaluating what star expression, so what it becomes 17 6 the 102. So now what happens? 5 minus 102 plus 2. No, check out minus and plus, these are having the same precedence, their priority value is 1. Okay, so hence which one I need to operate? Hence if you are having the same precedence, then comes the associativity. Associativity means from which order I need to evaluate, left to right or left to right, right to left. So here I will be evaluating from left to right, then I will be going for evaluation of what? 5 minus 102. So what happens here? It will become 97. Minus 97 plus 2. Next answer is what? Minus 95. Got clear? Star is having a highest precedence. First I evaluate 17 star 6. What is the answer? 102. So 5 minus 102 plus 2 is your answer. Next what happens? Minus and plus, these are having the same precedence, means 1. So which one I need to evaluate? First I will be evaluating minus symbol. 5 minus y, because associativity evaluation starts from left to right, that is called as associativity. Then what happened? Minus 97. Next evaluate plus 2. Minus 97 plus 2, answer is minus 95. So hence what is the use of precedence and associativity? To solve the expressions, I will going for precedence and associativity, which is having a highest priority value, that will be evaluated first. Then if we are having a same priority value, then we go for the concept of associativity. Cleared? Next concept is what? Infix to postfix conversion. You cleared with the three types of expression. Next we'll go with the infix to postfix conversion. Next question comes is what? Why you are going for the conversion from one form to other form, especially from infix to either postfix or prefix. So as you know, infix expressions are nothing but what? It is lengthier. 5 minus 17 star 6 plus 2, like this way. So it is combination of multiple operators. So evaluation of this is very much difficult. Hence if you are having postfix or prefix, what happens? Either you are having an operator first or operator next. In the prefix it is initially, and if it is postfix afterwards. So any one place you are having operators, but in infix you are having a multiple operators present. Hence evaluation of that is difficult. Hence I'll be going for what? Either postfix or prefix conversion instead of infix. Hence I'll be going from infix to postfix conversion or prefix conversion. So here what happens when you are evaluating? Again I will be following what? For the infix conversion, so we are evaluating based on what? Precedence and associativity. It is difficult and time consuming, hence I will be going for what? The conversion. So evaluating postfix and prefix is very much easier, and here there is no requirement of precedence and associative of the operators. Hence I will be going for infix to postfix conversions. Okay, in the next class I will be solving the problem in the live class, and I will be explaining the algorithm. With that I will be explaining the problem. Okay, so you need to be all should be present for that class, and I will be solving the problems for infix to postfix conversions. So this is important. So if you are having any doubts, you can ask in the class. Okay, so you can go through video. This is the basic theory concepts, and regarding the expression evaluation problem I will be solving in my class. Okay, thank you.